All right, my name is Kwaku September, and this is the Great Tech House. Today we'll be talking about how to make money with Yello Save. You see, this particular plan is a long-term one, not a short one. And very soon, I'm going to give you, the videos on how to make small money on the short-term plans. But for now, we'll be talking about Yello Save, which is a long-term plan scheme. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. First of all, what is Yello Save? Yello Save is a collaborative plan from MTN Ghana and Fidelity Bank. And it actually comes with an interest. But my focus is not much on the interest, but also, allow the customers to put on a habit of saving. So this is how it works. You go into an agreement with Yello Save. Let's say you are going to be deducted 10 cedi to 20 cedis every day or month. But what I suggest is you putting it as daily deduction, which is very, very good. And these are some of the few things that I involve myself in and get money to also invest in shares and also the cryptos and other stuffs. So in a nutshell, this is how it works. It's more of something in Ghana we call susu. You see, like you are saving small. If you go to our market women in Accra or Kumasi, you are going to see the people, the microfinances moving about, taking small money. So that's how it works. But it comes with an interest, and the risk is a bit down as compared to the people walking about and doing that. So the Yello Save a bit secure because with investment there are risks, but you should know which risk you have to take. You get it? Not every risk that you need to take yourself through. You get what I'm saying? Even though the interest is a bit down, at the end of the day, you are going to learn how to save and you are going to enjoy the fruits later. So let's get into it once again. So with the band one Ghana cedis to 1,000 Ghana cedis is around 5%. Where the band 2001 to 5,000 Ghana cedis is around 6%. And if you go to the band 3, you are going to get 5,000 Ghana cedis to 15,000 cedis, which the interest rate is going to be 7%. Where the band 4, above 15,000, you get 8%. Even though it's down, it can still do something for you. So instead of doing the normal saving, you can actually save with Yello Save. You get what I'm saying? And one thing is you can actually deposit any amount of your choice at any given day. So let's say you have 500 cedis or 1,000 Ghana cedis. You can deposit it to reach that limit where there's that particular interest rate is being applied to it. You get what I'm saying? Because we talked about you depositing 1 cedi to 1,000 Ghana cedis with a particular interest rate. So if you want to reach a higher interest rate, you can deliberately deposit a particular amount for you to reach that interest rate. So someone will ask, can I withdraw my money when I want to? Yes, of course you can. You can withdraw anytime you want. But one thing is, if you withdraw more than 3 times, it's going to affect your interest rate. Yes, it's going to affect your interest rate. And one question too is, if I don't have money in my account, where is it going to get money to deduct? Actually, it's not going to do that. It's going to wait for when there's money in your account before it does the deduction. And this is very easy to do. You just dial *170#. Then you go to financial services, which is at number 5. Then you go to number 2, savings. You are going to see Yello Save as number 1. Then you select number 1. Then you follow through and register. Then this is where you are going to get your own plan. The amount they should deduct you daily or monthly, but I'm suggesting you use the daily. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and if there's a need for me to do another video, I'm going to do that and explain to you. This is the Great Tech House. My name is Kwaku September, and I'm out.